This is a collection of clips that I've put together recently from shorts videos that I've uploaded, of which are very quick. This won't take much of your time, except these are horizontal originals or recut ones or reshot ones. So have a look at those if you want. Oh, very nice. Trying somewhere different again today. Barnaby the sheep still has his visitors from Christmas time. Isn't he a lucky sheep? Good old Barnaby. Got the whole family up this year. I'm just going to do a little bit of shopping before I grab some breakfast. You've seen this one before, I think. So I'm just going to... Chunky pepper steak is the best for me. Love them. So having now acquired some breakfast, done some shopping, we'll get back home. I'll let this run. One of the young magpies has been singing the most beautiful song. Oh, he's just flying away. Never mind. What sort of plane is that wide and leaves those streaks there? You see? The only thing I can think of is two like fighter jets or whatever flying at the same time, because otherwise it's a hell of a wide plane. Very strange. Well, I'm not sure, but it is absolutely humid as hell in Brisbane here today, especially on the west side where I am. And if that's not a storm brewing, well, I guess I'll be dipped. Hopefully, cool things down. But she's rather hot here in Australia. Not so much for you guys in America. Anyway, jump in the pool when I get home, that's for sure. New video up tonight. See ya. I'd sit here this afternoon in the humidity in amongst my little forest, mini forest. No storm came last night, and it's supposed to be stormy and rainy this week, so we'll see what it brings. But anyway, definitely after the coffee I'm jumping in there. Okay, well, I hope you all have a good week. And if you haven't seen it, check out my latest longer video about why I've been doing these YouTube shorts, as they're called, and I guess you know by now where to find them. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Well, seems a nice day to come for an MRI. Not what I recommended as a sport. Anyway, let's see how we go. This is the young magpie singing that I tried to record the other day, and then he flew away. I'll find him now. Anyway, he's there somewhere. Very good voice he has. Just gave him a little bit of lunch. Well, you can't see him probably, but he's there somewhere. Trouble is, he's become a little bit timid since he's got older. Yeah. There you go. Some fireworks on Australia Day, or Australia Night now. Happy Australia Day 2023. If you can see them down there, not as spectacular as the annual ones over in the city there, but still not the same budget either. Focus. Digital devices do not like auto-focusing. So happy Australia Day everyone, no matter who you are or where you are. Okay, so now you've seen the full thing of collection of clips from this month. Cheers. See you in my next proper video. Don't forget, you can see my shorts as you go into my channel. Look under, well, shorts, and that's where you'll find them, because you won't get notifications of shorts, unfortunately. Okay, cheers. Thanks a lot for watching.